Police arrest Bishop Otu Timothy after married female evangelist who lodged with him in a hotel was found dead in Aba. General Overseer of Agape Evangelical Ministry, City of Miracles, located in Obikabe Junction, Aba, Abia State, has been arrested by the police after a married female evangelist and mother of 5, identified as Evangelist Happiness, who lodged in with him at Jubilee Guest House of Obohi, was found dead in the hotel room. PO reports gathered that the incident happened around 11 p.m. on Saturday, 12th August 2023, after the bishop who booked the room with her absconded after deceiving the receptionist that he was going to buy food at that time of the night. The manager of the hotel, who suspected foul play, immediately reported to the Eastern Ngwa police station in Obingwa local government area around 1 a.m. on Sunday morning. When officers of the Nigerian police went to the hotel, the woman was lying naked with foam coming out of her mouth and nose. PO reports gathered that when her phone was opened, it was discovered that the woman and mother of 5 children is a member of the Agape Evangelical Ministries Incorporated, founded by Bishop Timothy Otu, and they have been having romantic relationship and discussion via text messages, which were seen by the police. Investigations revealed that the woman died during the marathon sex with the bishop. The police officers traced the bishop to his church at Obikabe Junction, attended the Sunday service with Mufti. Bishop Timothy Otu, who was heavily preaching about repentance, was arrested immediately after his sermon and currently being detained at the Eastern Ngwa police station, Obingwa. The late evangelist Happiness, who is a mother of 5, hails from the Umuatakum in Obingwa, while her husband was at work in Bayelsa State when the ugly incident happened. Thank you for watching. Please kindly drop your opinion about this, and do not forget to subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel.
Nke nwa na-eme ije chọọchị hapụga chọọchị ijere je na-esogharị pastọ na-akpọ ya dadi ọwa ịmadị dadi inyi nne dadi inyi na mọmị inyi nọ na yard hapụga pastọ aka ka ọ hapụ ya aka ngwa share na video like ya comment ya ihe